Hi there, Mrs. Demedio here. Today for our reading comprehension, we'll be reading The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is found off the coast of Queensland in Australia. It is the largest reef in the world. It is almost 1,500 miles long. It is actually made up of many smaller reefs and islands that follow each other in a long line just off the coast. The reef is protected. This means that there are rules for what can be done near the reef. There are many tourist businesses, but they have to follow certain rules. People can fish near the reef, but there are limits on how many fish they can take. There are many other rules as well, and people monitor the reef to make sure it is not being damaged. This will help it stay healthy for many years. It is important that the reef is not lost. It is too unique and special to be lost. The reef is very popular. A lot of people travel to the reef each year to see the coral and fish. They snorkel, scuba dive, or view the reef from glass bottom boats. There are many beautiful and interesting fish to be seen. It has been said that the reef is one of the seven natural wonders of the world. Number one, what does the word beautiful mean? There are many beautiful and interesting fish to be seen. A lacks beauty. B has the most beauty. C has more beauty. D full of beauty. Number two, which sentence from the passage is a fact? A, it is the largest reef in the world. B, it is important that the reef is not lost. C, it is too unique and special to be lost. Or D, there are many beautiful and interesting fish to be seen. Number three, what would be the best thing to add to the passage to show where the Great Barrier Reef is located? A graph. B, a timeline. C, a map. Or D, a table. Number four, the passage states that the reef has been called one of the seven natural wonders of the world. Which claim does this detail best support? A, the reef is found off the coast of Australia. B, the reef is made up of many smaller reefs and islands. C, the reef is protected. Or D, the reef is unique and special. Here's our next passage. Saving water. Water is very important for people. The human body is made up of 70% water. People need to drink water every day to stay healthy. Water is also used to help grow the plants that people eat. This means it is very important that we keep our water clean and use it only when we need to. Some people think there's nothing they can do, but that's not true. Every single person should do what they can. It might not seem like a lot, but every positive action adds up. If everyone did something, our water would be much cleaner and there would be enough for everybody. You can help keep water clean by not littering in public and always using a trash bin. You can also make sure you never pour oil down the sink. It is also important not to waste water. Here are four tips for water use. Turn off the tap when you brush your teeth. Take shorter showers. Only do full washing loads. And water the garden in the early evening. Number one, according to the passage, what is one way to keep water clean? A, using water to water plants. B, not pouring oil down the sink. C, doing full washing loads. D, drinking water every day. Number two, what is the main purpose of the bullet points? A, to explain why water is important. B, to list ways to save water. C, to show common uses of water. Or D, to describe how to keep water clean. Number three, which sentence best shows that water is important to people? A, people need to drink water every day to stay healthy. B, it is also important that we use water only when we need to. C, you can help keep clean water clean by not littering. Or D, you can also make sure you never pour oil down the sink. And number four, which of these is a message of the passage? A, little things can make a big difference. B, the best things in life are free. C, you should share your knowledge with others. D, everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Always go back and reread the passages to help, then click submit.